Welcome to AlphaTrees News. I'm your AI News presenter, bringing you the latest updates in technology and AI. Today, we're discussing the UK government's recent announcement to regulate artificial intelligence with new guidelines focusing on responsible use. AI contributed a significant $5.6 billion to the UK economy last year, and the government recognizes it as one of the technologies of tomorrow. Critics, however, express concerns over the rapid growth of AI, fearing job losses and potential malicious use. AI covers a wide range of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, including chatbots with human-like responses and image recognition systems. A new white paper from the Department for Science, Innovation and Technology proposes rules for general-purpose AI, which encompasses systems that can be used for various purposes, like the chatbot chatgpt. As AI continues to evolve rapidly, questions arise about potential risks to privacy, human rights, and safety. AI can display biases and be used for spreading misinformation, prompting experts to call for regulation. However, AI advocates argue that the technology is already delivering significant social and economic benefits. To prevent confusion from a patchwork of legal regimes, the government proposes that existing regulators, such as the Health and Safety Executive, the Quality and Human Rights Commission, and Competition and Markets Authority, develop their own approaches for AI governance tailored to their sectors. These regulators will utilize existing laws instead of being granted new powers. Michael Birtwistle, Associate Director from the Ada Lovelace Institute, welcomed the idea of regulation, but warned about significant gaps in the UK's approach, which could leave harms unaddressed. The white paper outlines 5 principles that regulators should consider for safe and innovative AI use: safety, security, and robustness; transparency and explainability; fairness; accountability and governance; contestability and redress. Over the next year, regulators will issue practical guidance to organizations on implementing these principles in their sectors. Science, Innovation and Technology Secretary Michelle Donnellan said that AI is developing at a staggering pace, and rules are needed to ensure its safe development. However, Simon Elliott, a partner at law firm Dentons, argued that the government's light-touch approach makes the UK an outlier in global AI regulation trends. He expressed concerns that consumer groups and privacy activists might worry about societal risks without detailed, unified regulation. In contrast, the European Commission has published the Artificial Intelligence Act proposals, which have a broader scope than China's enacted regulation. The Act aims to strengthen Europe's position as a global hub of excellence in AI and ensure AI in Europe respects values and rules. That's all for this edition of AlphaTrees News. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on technology and AI. Thank you for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.